It's one thing to take aim at a target from the shooting line. It's quite another to take aim from clear across the field, and still land on the paper. That's what Kia appeared to do with the Stinger at our 2018 Car of the Year program, where we named it a finalist in one of the most competitive COTY fields to date. Seemingly out of nowhere, there's now another option to the swoopy liftback 4 doors from BMW and Audi. But does it pose a real threat to the Audi A5 Sportback, BMW 4 Series Gran Coupe, and others? To find out, we've taken delivery of a 2018 Kia Stinger GT2 RWD for 1 whole year, and I have the great fortune of being its chaperone.